Hello, in this video we will cover text files with Python. We will see how to open, read and write to text files, and after that we will see with open statement. Now let's open the Jupyter notebook. Let's start with reading a text file. Here I have created one as file.txt and it's in the same directory with the notebook that I am using. Let's open it and it says, hello, I am using Python. Let's close this one. Okay, in here I will write file is equal to open. And here should be the name of the file, and it was file.txt. And after this comma you need to write the mode that you want to open it with, and it's going to be in read mode, so I write R in here. This should be in a form of string, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to read the content of it, and I'm going to assign it to another variable. Let's say content is equal to file.read. After that, if I call content in here and run this, I will see hello, I am using Python, which was the statement in the file.txt file. Okay, by the way, when you are doing it, opening the files like this, do not forget to close the files to not face some unwanted behavior. So after reading the file, if I'm not going to do anything else with it, I'm going to close it with file.close. Okay, if I run this, I will get the same result, but at the end, now the file is closed. We can do the same thing by using with open statement. Let's see how can we do this. With open, and here the name will be the same. And after that, I'm going to write the mode as R in here. And after this open, you can write as F in here. And after this point, you can reach this file.txt by using this F in this indentation. Okay. I'm going to read it one more time, and content will be equal to f.read. Okay. And if I call content in here one more time, I will get the same result. But by doing it this way, you don't have to close the file. If you are using bitopen, it closes it automatically. Okay, so this is a better usage. Let's see how to write to files. With write mode, you can also create new files. Let's do one example with open, and I'm going to write new file.txt, and here the mode will be different, so I'm going to write W in here for writing, and again as F in here, and I write f.write. Okay, and here you can write a text. I will write this is my new text, and I'm going to put a new line at the end of it. Okay, if I run this and open this directory, I will see that a new file is added in here. And as you see here, this is my new text and it has a new line at the end of it. Okay, let's close this. I will create a list in here as lines. And this will be equal to, let's say, line 1, a new line at the end. Line 2, a new line, and also line 3, and also a new line at the end. Okay, now we are going to use write lines methods. This will be very similar with open, and I'm going to write the new file.txt again. So if I write W in here to use it in write mode, it's going to override it. So this will be gone. The new text will be in this file. Okay, as F, and inside of it, I'm going to write F dot write lines this time. And I'm going to put this lines list inside of it. And if I run this and open this new file.txt, we will see that this is my new text is gone, and here we have new texts in it. Okay, now let's see append. Append is very similar to write, but rather than overriding the file, we are going to add some new values to the end of it. Let's see with open new file.txt. Okay, and the mode will be A, which is append as F. Okay, the procedure will be the same. We are going to write f.write rather than f.append. We are using write in here. Okay, so I'm going to add line 4 at the end of it with a new line. Okay, if I run this and open this new line again, new file text again, and if I refresh this, I'm going to see that new line is appended at the end of this text file. Okay, let's see the difference of those three methods and take a look at seek. I'll call it open new file again, new file.txt, and the mode will be r read sf. Okay, let's write content is equal to f.read. After that, I'm going to print this content. If I run this, I'll get the index content of the text file. After that, if I call line is equal to f.read line. This is used to read just one line of it. And if I print line and run this, I'm not going to see anything because when you read it, there is a cursor and it goes to the end of the file. So you cannot read anything in here. To not face this issue, you need to use seek in here. Okay, I will write seek 0 and the cursor will be at the beginning of the text file and we will see this line one more time. Let's run this. What does it say? Seek is not defined. Of course, we need to call it with f.seek. Let's run this one more time and we will see line 1. Okay, now let's write lines is equal to f.readLines. Okay, and after that print it, print lines. This is going to use to get a list of the lines in the text file. Let's run this. I'm going to get line 2, 3, 4, but I couldn't get 1. Why is that? Because again, we didn't use f.seek. When we use this and read just one line, the cursor went to the end of line 1. So it is started from line 2. So to not face this issue again, I'm going to write f.seek one more time and I will put it at 0. If I run this again, I'm going to get the full list of the lines in the text file. Okay, this was all for text.